Hello and welcome to this video on how to use synonyms to level up your vocabulary and enhance speaking skills in the office environment. In today's video, we'll discuss 10 commonly used words and their synonyms that you can use to sound more professional and articulate. Let's start with problem. Instead of using the word problem, you can use complication. For example, this issue has more complications than we initially thought. Instead of saying change, you can use modify. For instance, we need to modify our approach to this project. Now let's talk about awesome. This word is often overused, so try using fantastic instead. For instance, that presentation was fantastic. Instead of using explain, you can use elaborate. For example, could you please elaborate on that point? Next, instead of using difficult, you can use challenging. For example, this project is proving to be quite challenging. Instead of using interesting, try using fascinating. For instance, I find the topic of artificial intelligence absolutely fascinating. Instead of using satisfied, use delighted. For example, I was delighted with the results of the project and the positive feedback from our clients. Instead of using sad, try using heartbroken. For example, I was absolutely heartbroken when I heard the news. Instead of using angry, use furious. For example, I was absolutely furious when I found out about the mistake in the report. Lastly, instead of using good, use excellent. For example, the proposal was excellent and well received by the team. By using these synonyms, you can level up your speaking skills and sound more confident and professional in the office environment, which can in turn help you build stronger relationships and achieve your goals more efficiently. So, keep exploring new synonyms and phrases, and don't be afraid to experiment with your communication style. Good luck! Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.